The Tesla app's issues often stem from software, hardware, and network interactions. Common causes include app version incompatibility with your phone's OS or Tesla's firmware. Corrupted cache data can also cause problems. Unstable internet connections lead to freezing. Insufficient device resources like RAM or storage contribute to crashes. Authentication glitches can freeze the login process. With Tesla expanding into energy products, the app is becoming increasingly complex, leading to more potential bugs. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, force quit the Tesla app and reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone or Android device. Next, ensure both your phone's operating system and the Tesla app are updated to the latest versions. These steps often resolve temporary glitches. A common cause of Tesla app instability is accumulated cache or corrupted data. These build up over time and can cause the app to freeze or crash. Clearing them often resolves the issue. On Android devices, you can clear cache and data directly. First, open Settings, go to Apps, find Tesla, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be corrupted. If the app still has issues, tap Clear Data to reset the app completely, though you'll need to log in again. On iOS, Apple doesn't allow direct cache clearing for security reasons. To reset the app, press and hold the Tesla app icon on your home screen, tap Remove App, then Delete App. This uninstalls it completely. Then, open the App Store, search for Tesla, and reinstall the app. This gives you a fresh start. The Tesla app requires a stable internet connection to function properly. Network issues are a common cause of app crashes, freezing, or unresponsiveness. First, ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular signal. Weak signals can interrupt the app's communication with your vehicle and Tesla's servers. Next, try turning airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your device's network connection and can resolve temporary connectivity glitches. If you're using Wi-Fi, restart your router. This clears any router-side issues that might be affecting the connection. Also, check if Tesla's servers are experiencing any outages. Server problems can cause app freezes even with a good local connection. Server status information can usually be found on Tesla's website or their social media channels. The Tesla app can be resource-intensive, requiring adequate storage and memory on your device. Ensure your phone has at least 500 megabytes of free storage space to prevent crashes and freezing. Your device also needs sufficient RAM to handle the app's processing demands. Older devices may struggle, particularly Android phones with limited memory. If possible, test the app on a newer device to determine if compatibility is the issue. This can help isolate whether the problem is device-specific. Authentication issues in the Tesla app often stem from multi-factor authentication glitches, which can cause login freezes or unresponsiveness. To resolve this, ensure your authentication methods are properly configured in your Tesla account and maintain a stable internet connection during the login process. If you find yourself locked out of your account, use the Forgot Password feature to securely reset your credentials and regain access. Follow these steps. First, verify your multi-factor authentication setup in the Tesla account settings. Second, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Third, if needed, use the Forgot Password option for account recovery. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the app continues to crash or freeze, contact Tesla support. You can do this through the app itself or via the Tesla website. Provide detailed information about the issue, including your device type, app version, and any error messages you're seeing. They may offer personalized fixes or be aware of ongoing issues. Tesla plans to implement AI-driven bug detection in future app updates, which could reduce crashes. To minimize issues, keep your app and device software up to date, regularly clear the app's cache if possible, and ensure a stable internet connection. Experts predict a shift towards web-based app alternatives for non-critical features, potentially improving overall reliability.